Hey, my name is James Knox. I would like to welcome you to my channel. Today, we're going to show you how to invest in the stock market from the very beginning using Fidelity. Fidelity has many great resources to research any stocks and what industry to buy from and what industry not to buy from. I've made thousands of dollars just buying and selling stocks on the daily. And I would like to show you guys how to do the same thing and make a good amount of money off of it because people need to know this. People need to know how to do what I do. Today I'm going to show you. So the first thing you need to do is make a Fidelity account. You have to be at least 18 years old to do this. Unfortunately, if you're under 18, you need parent consent or you need to open up the account with them. After you make your account, you have deposit money into this. I recommend starting with a very low investment since stock trading is a risk. And you can't be upset if you do lose it all because it is a gamble at the end of the day. But the best way to do this without losing your money is researching on these stocks. My favorite things to do is on Fidelity is go to research markets and sectors and checking out what is the best stock for that day, what is the best market to invest in. I like to see green because you're making money off of that. But something I've been investing a lot in lately is healthcare because marijuana, all the healthcare acts coming out recently. There's a lot of booming companies. Good stat to tell you if a company is doing well is the quality summary score. It's not 100% accurate, but it gives you a rough estimate of what you're dealing with. Another good thing to look at when you're trying to invest into a sector is seeing what that sector's performance is in the business cycle. At the moment, the US is in expansion. It's basically waiting for a decline. Healthcare consistently, according to this graph, has performed after a recession and late expansion. We're about to hit late expansion, so healthcare is a good industry to invest in. Now, you might ask, James, how do I find a stock that's cheap? How do I find something that I know I'm going to make money on? Well, another good resource to check out is if you go to all sectors, just find investments. And you press start screen, you pretty much filter out which industries you want to invest in. And by using my method, figure out which industries are best to invest in, you can find out the best stocks to take your chance at. So I'm just going to use the equality rating. The best, obviously, for stocks is very bullish. Very bearish is the worst rating you can have. Bullish means it's a buy. They're thinking that the stock is going to rise a lot, or it's going to perform very well. But again, this is not 100% accurate. Sometimes I'll invest in big corps, and sometimes I'll invest in little things like this. And I always research. I don't just look at the rating because the rating is not accurate. I've lost money by just looking at the rating. If you look at many signs like its earnings, it's misses earnings for the last couple quarters, so it might not be a great investment. And this was as of 3/9. Today is March 12th. Things could change in 3 days. And they're saying, according to this, it's overvalued at 143, so it might not be a good investment. Let's just say I find a stock that I really like this one. And I'm like, oh, this is the perfect stock. It's beating its ratings lately. It's undervalued. It's a great 7-minute short investment. I might invest 1,000 shares into $1,000. And then I'll wait until it goes up a little bit and I'll sell it. Make a quick couple $100 and do the same thing over and over again. And it's pretty much the basics of stock trading at a low level like me, a very new investor. And anything else you will learn by just doing it over and over again. After you master it, it becomes very easy to make thousands of dollars a week. You can make this into a full-time job by just trading daily. And that's all I want to talk about today. Just start this video. I will be posting many other parts to this video to go more in depth into stock trading. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you soon.